Okay, here's our last and hardest problem. We were going with a parabola equation word problem. The Golden Gate Bridge creates an upwards opening parabola with its cables. The ends of the parabola section of cable are 1,280 meters apart and 152 meters above the vertex. Find the equation of and graph this parabola if the vertex is at the origin 0, 0. Alright, so first thing we'll probably want to do is, this might be a little hard to visualize, so let's draw a little picture. So, okay, here is my beautiful Golden Gate Bridge. That's our parabola. Oh, that's nice. Very good, very good. Alright, and our vertex is right here at 0, 0. Alright, so this is 0, 0. And these are 1,280 meters apart. So we'll just draw that here. 1,280 meters. And the distance between here and here, or here and here, is 152 meters. So let's start out with just figuring out just going with the equation of the parabola, and we can fill in some of these numbers. So we have x minus h squared equals 4p y minus k. Okay, so h and k are the coordinates of our vertex, actually. So in this case, they're 0. And p is a special number that we'll be solving that basically determines how steep the parabola is. So right now we have x squared, since h and k are 0, equals 4p y. Now, right now it seems like we don't have anything to solve with. We're like, oh, what do we do? But what we can do is we can put one of these coordinates in the place of x and y. So we're just going to half 1,280. That equals 500, 640. Yeah, 640. And so that's our x value, so 640. And our y value is just this height here, so that's 152. So we just plug those into x and y, and we solve for p. So 640 squared equals 4p 152. So let's just square 640. We'll do that real fast. Alright, so 640 times 640. Alright, so 409, 600. 409, 600. Now we're also just going to multiply 152 times 4. So 152 times 4. 608. So P 608. Now all we got to do is divide both sides by 608 to get P on all by itself on that side. So 409 600 divided by 608. So 409 600 divided by, what was that? It was 608. Yeah, 608. 608. And we get 673.68. 673.68. 673.68 equals P. So we are just going to plug that in to our equation for P, and that will give us our equation of the parabola. So x just stays normal since our coordinates are 0, equals 4 times 673.68. So let's multiply that by 4 real fast. Alright, so 673, no, oops, sorry. 673 point, what was it? 68. Oh my goodness. 673.68 times 4 equals 2,694.72. 269,472. 26947.2. I'm just going to write that there. Equals 2694.72y. And that is the equation of our parabola. And I'm going to stop to get all organized so we can graph it.